This next dish that I'm going to do is a very easy pasta dish. It's called Pinoy Putanesca. I think Putanesca originally came from Italy, but we're doing a Pinoy version, so there's a small twist, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is to cut up the garlic. You need to chop this up, and then we also need some, maybe just one onion. Then we're going to chop up an onion. We also need some button mushrooms. The next thing we need is the bacon. So originally, yung recipe calls for anchovies. Pero dahil mahal ang anchovies at hindi yan masyadong common dito sa atin, I'm going to use tuyo. This is store-bought tuyo. This is tuyo in olive oil. So maybe for this recipe, half a bottle ang kailangan natin. Remove the balat and you remove the buto in the middle. Just roughly chop it up para hindi naman masyadong malalaki yung pieces na makakain. So our next ingredient will be the olives. Another ingredient that I will add is talong. So this is my secret for my pasta sauce, for my Putanesca. So I want the eggplants medyo pahaba, maybe about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick, tapos mga 1.5 inches long. So my ingredients are ready and I'm going to cook. So syempre, dahil medyo Italian yung dish natin, I'm going to use olive oil. Maybe about 3 tablespoons. So when oil is hot, I will add my garlic and onions. After that, you don't have to wait for it to brown. Medyo pag naaamoy na ng mabango, add na natin yung bacon. And this is a crucial step. You need to let the bacon brown para maging malasa yung sauce. Putanesca is really a tomato-based pasta sauce. So, because I need this dish to be easy and quick, I'm going to use 2 tomatoes. So you can buy 2 tomatoes in the grocery. So lumalabas na yung fat ng bacon. If you're conscious about your fat in your diet, you can remove some of the oil later. Hindi pa masyadong brown yung bacon, but I want to add my eggplant already because this will take some time to also cook. So para sabay silang maluto ng bacon. When your eggplant has browned slightly, you can add the other ingredients. Add the olives and the mushrooms. Add the tuyo. Add your stewed tomatoes. And then I'm going to add capers. Maybe about a tablespoon of capers. You can also add the juice. But I want it to be more saucy. So I can either add, at this point you can either add some more tomato sauce or I think I'll just add water. Just a little. And you cook this for 10 to 15 minutes. And just simmer it. My Putanesca is looking good. See that? So at this point, I want to season it. Just a little rock salt. Lots of pepper. To add more flavor to my Putanesca, I want to add basil. So maybe about 2 teaspoons. Just tear up the basil. And this will add a nice, fresh Italian flavor to the Putanesca. I think it's done. Ooh, our sauce is cooked. So this is our Putanesca with olives, capers, eggplants, mushrooms, tomatoes, and tuyo. Okay, you just need to spoon this over some pasta. And then, you can either use pre-grated Parmesan cheese, or in this case, because it's a special occasion, I'll use the real thing. So you just grate the Parmesan cheese. Just get a few sprigs of parsley and you sprinkle that on top. So there you have it. This is our Pinoy Putanesca.